Hello guys, welcome to Trending Tube friends. My name is Biswa and in this video I'm going to show you a product from IKEA which is STOENSE, a rug which is a low pile rug. And you can see this rug which is I shooted this video in IKEA, and the dimension of this product is 170 into 240, which is 5 feet 7 inch into 7 feet 10 inch. And as I mentioned, it's a low pile rug and the color is dark blue, and you can get it on the dark gray as well. There are different color, dark gray. This is the dark gray color which I am showing you. It has light olive green, medium gray, off white. Many colors are available, and this is the thick and soft spun pile is all about comfort combined with gentle colors and a light scene that brings harmony to your room, large floor, or place several rugs together. The thick pile conceals the edges. So this is a thick one, and as I mentioned about the length, width and thickness is 18 mm. Area it will cover is 4.08 meter square meter of area, and weight is 10.70 kg. Measurement is 172 centimeter. Do not wash, do not bleach, do not tumble dry, and all this information is already available here. The price is approximately 8,000 rupees, which is around $100 in US currency. You may find this easily in any of the IKEA store nearby. As it is called as low pile because of the fiber, those are very short and the loops are small and tight, and it gives a rug a very smooth and even surface. So whenever you choose for your room or your hall, you should choose for a low pile rug to get a smooth and even surface. Okay, and these are tightly coupled and tightly knitted, so you will not face any problem with the knitting as well. So as you see, this is very soft, and as I mentioned, I'll provide the purchase link on the description section. This is a very good product from IKEA, so go ahead and maybe check out those items in the IKEA purchase link. Okay, thank you guys, and thanks for watching. I hope this video is helpful and informative. Please do hit a thumbs up and add your comments if you guys have anything to discuss about or anything that you want to know. Thank you and have a great day.